Hello, I'm Hal Kaya, founder and creator of the Truck Driving Career Pages on Facebook. Myself, along with trusted partners such as Alan and Donna Smith, wish to welcome you to North American Trucking Alerts. As you've already seen by the video, North American Trucking Alerts, or NATA, has been put together for the purpose of bringing our country's communities together as a whole to better understand the issues and situations facing today's truckers and everyone else, and the consequences that could arise from those issues. Not just truckers, but the entire trucking industry and every business, organization, average citizen, federal entity, everyone. The problems truckers face every day are wide, varied, and numerous, to the point that if something positive isn't done quickly, to do more than just recognize who the truck driver is, but to realize the services they provide for every single need that this country has and will have on into the future, that if those needs suddenly are not met, then this country can and will come to a complete stop very quickly. The intent of North American Trucking Alerts is to bring a unity in the trucking industry where every voice is heard. Not just the big name organizations and special interest groups that currently have the biggest voice in affecting the decision-making processes in Washington and the rules that mandate how truckers must operate, but every person that has a concern about how truckers' lives and means are affected in the process. Why, you might ask? Because if not for the efforts and sacrifices that every driver out there makes today, then every store shelf, gas pump, hospital, business, company, car dealership, factory, airport, you name it, they will be unable to stay open and serving this country as people have been so used to having available. Our efforts are, one, to bring awareness to the issues and problems that drivers are facing today. Two, to bring accountability to those who affect the everyday lives of those drivers. And three, to aid in bringing action in making honest solutions to those problems by having everyone who relies on trucking that is not a truck driver, no matter the size of the truck, to better understand and help make changes that improve truckers' lives and productivity and bring better safety initiatives to the traveling public as a whole, and not be focused on just one form of transportation. In that, we are North American Trucking Alerts. Thank you.